Hello everyone, welcome to the workbook. The question that we are going to solve now says that if the function f of x is equal to a 3 by 3 determinant with the elements x plus a square, a into b and a into c in the first row, a into b, x plus b square and b into c in the second row, a into c, b into c and x plus c square in the third row, then prove that derivative of that function, that is f dash of x, is equal to 3x square plus 2x into a square plus b square plus c square. So in the given part, we shall discuss what are the variables involved in this question. As in the question it is clearly given, f is an explicit function of a single variable x. We can note down that x is the only variable here. And all other letters that are denoting the constants are A, B, C. So these are all constant. So while differentiating this determinant, we will keep this in mind that x is the only variable. A, B and C are rather the constants. Now in general, if there is a determinant A with the elements being a function f of x, another function g of x, other functions u of x and v of x, then derivative of this determinant a dash is equal to derivative of the first row, so f dash of x, g dash of x, the second row as it is, plus the first row will remain as it is, derivative of the second row. So each element will be differentiated separately. So this is the way a determinant is differentiated in general. Now this rule we can apply to the given determinant, that is f of x. So let's write down the solution. In the solution we'll go for f dash of x will be, now applying this rule to the differentiation of f of x. How we'll do it? All elements of first row will be differentiated. So the first element is x plus a square, derivative of x is 1, derivative of a square is 0. So it will be 1 plus 0. A and b both are constants, so the derivative is 0. A and c are also constants, so the derivative is 0. Writing the other two rows as it is. Plus, the next step will be derivative of the second row and writing the first row and the third row as it is. So x plus a square, a into b, a into c. Second row, a into b derivative is 0. X plus b square, the derivative is 1 plus 0. That's nothing but 1. B into c, the derivative is again 0. Third row as it is, a into c, b into c and x plus c square. Plus, in the third term also, the same thing will happen. First and second row will be as it is and we have to write the derivative of the third row. This is how the last term turns out to be. Now, to get the expression of f dash of x that is given in the question, we will simplify these three determinants further. So, f dash of x is equal to, simplifying this first determinant, we get 1 into x plus b square, x plus b square into x plus c square, minus b into c into b into c gives b square c square. Okay. Now the other two columns, first elements are 0 and 0. So whatever products we get from these into 0 will give us 0 again, and again into 0 for the last one will also be 0. So the only term we get from the first determinant is this. Similarly, from the second and third determinant, we will get these terms. These two terms. So moving further and simplifying further, multiply the brackets. X into x gives x square plus x into c square gives xc square plus xb square plus b square into c square minus b square into c square. Also, the remaining terms can be written as. Now, in this expression, we can see that b square c plus b square c square minus b square c square will give 0. A square c square minus a square c square will give 0. And a square b square minus a square b square will give 0. Also, this x square plus x square plus x square is nothing but 3x square. So writing here 3 times x square plus. Now what are the remaining terms? Xc square. Is there anywhere else? Yeah, xc square. So xc square plus xc square gives us 2 times x into c square plus similarly we have x into b square and x into b square. So we can write 2x into b square plus x into a square plus x into a square. 2 into x into a square. So far we have covered all the terms. This gives 0, 0, 0 and all other terms are added up to this expression. Now just simplifying it once again, 3x square plus, we can take the term 2x, 2x and 2x common out of the three terms. So we can write 2x into, just writing it alphabetically, we will get a square plus b square plus c square. So we have successfully proven the statement that was to be proved as given in the question. Final answer is f dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x into a square plus b square plus c square. I hope you all must have understood the explanation. Thank you.